Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making LinkedIn work for lead flow. Optimize your headline and summary with client-focused keywords so prospects find you. Once done, define 3 buyer personas and pick 50 target accounts per persona to focus outreach. Make a single-sentence value proposition and map a content theme calendar for 2 weeks. This creates momentum, your profile attracts, and your list guides outreach. Make sure to enable open-to-work settings for services if applicable, and link to a clear contact path. Next, build a predictable engine. Post 3 times weekly mixing insights, client case snippets, and soft calls to action so you prime audiences. Then engage targets. Like and leave thoughtful comments on 2 posts before sending a connection note. After connection, follow with a value message that references their profile, then share a relevant resource. Wait 3-5 business days between touches. This sequence increases response rates because it combines familiarity, relevance, and clear next steps. Finally, qualify and convert. Ask 3 focused questions in your follow-up to determine budget, timeline, and decision process. This saves time and builds credibility. Once qualified, propose a 15-minute audit or demo and include a Calendly link to remove friction. Close by summarizing next steps at the end of the call and sending a tailored follow-up. If you hit silence after 3 touches, pause for 2 weeks and pivot your messaging or target list. This troubleshooting refresh prevents wasted effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.